During the latest CDE World event, dentists were taught some of the most state-of-the-art cementation techniques. Here is just a short clip of some of what leading educator Dr. Franklin Shull had to say.
That next category, that middle category, and I'll show you how I use these. I love the SimPower. SimPower is a relatively, it's not new, but it's not as old as some of these others. SimPower is a really nice product that gets stronger if you light cure it. So if we tack cure to clean up, most of us just tack and clean. This is one of the products that if you cure longer after you clean up, actually gets stronger. And a lot of the products don't do that. The SimPower is a really good product that I've used in the office that I love.
Learn more about SemPower and other cutting-edge dental materials at edsdental.com.